Welcome to my Car and Train channel. Today I want to share with you this miniature palace which is called Catherine Palace from St Petersburg, Russia. Here are some very good explanations. 1/12 scale. But let's go back to this unique piece. And now let's go behind. So it's not the entire palace. They kept only a few rooms that explain the main character of the palace, and there is a lot of research and history. Look at those cloisonnés. They look authentic. Wow. Look at all this furniture and details. The number of light bulbs also is very impressive. And the painting on the ceiling, or at the ceiling. And the dining room. Look at this table. A little bit of history. So interestingly enough, you see that during World War II, some of the art was looted out of the building. Okay, let's go back towards the back. Look at this chandelier. And perhaps you cannot see very well, but there is a painting at the ceiling. Well, thank you for watching this video. I have a couple of other outstanding doll houses videos on my current train channel.